Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Afar, and Tigray region is that viewers, there are reports from many sources that heavy war between Ethiopian National Defense Force and Tigray Defense Force is going on in and surrounding areas of Dola in the north of Afar region. Because the area is located near the Ethiopia and Eritrea border in the Afar region. And Ethiopian National Defense Force allies are also fighting against Tigray Defense Force in this war. Because the area is located near the Eritrea border, so it is possible that Eritrean soldiers can also come to help the Ethiopian National Defense Force. While different claims are coming from both sides about this war, Ethiopian National Defense Force side claims that Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers repelled the attack of Tigray Defense Force and they defended themselves. Because while Tigray Defense Force is claiming that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have attacked Ethiopian National Defense Force and have gained control on many places in the north of Afar region. Viewers, according to reports, heavy war is still going on in the north of Afar region. While, on the other hand, many videos have been shared by Tigray Defense Force in which soldiers of Ethiopian National Defense Force can be seen. West Tigray Defense Force has claimed that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have captured dozens of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers during the ongoing war in the Afar region, and also shared videos about it, which I will share with you at the end. Viewers, on the other hand, Tigray Defense Force has also shared pictures of several tanks that you can see on your screen, which is claimed by Tigray Defense Force that all of these tanks of Ethiopian army were captured by Tigray Defense Force during the war. So we were this latest update. Let's watch the video. Thanks for watching.
ወይ መላ ነሻሉ ወይ መላ አለው መላ መላ ወይ መላ ነሻሉ ወይ መላ ራገሬ ጎጃም ራገሬ ጎንደር ገረመው
ለምን እንደፈከራችሁ ስለምን ታዲያ አትዋጉም? ምን ያደርግላችሁ?